Do you wish to learn the modal verb ought to? Do you wish to know the meaning of ought to and how to use them? If your answer is yes, you are at the right platform. You stay with me in this video till the end and you will have the complete clarity about ought to. Hi friends, this is Muhyiddin Shak and I welcome you to International Speakers Academy. As I've explained to you, you are going to learn in this video the modal verb ought to and its all uses. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it right now. Hit the bell icon to get the notification regularly. And if you get some value from this video, do like the video as well. And at the end, I am going to call you to the action. Jump in and write down in the comment box, what did you learn from this video? If you want to become an effective English communicator or a speaker, you can join our online English Mastery Training Program. In order to join that program, you can WhatsApp us on the number given below. Now let's get started. Ought, O-U-G-H-T. It is pronounced ought, ought, ought. When we use it in a sentence, it is always used with to, ought to. The modal verb or modal auxiliary, modal verb is also called modal auxiliary. So the modal auxiliary ought is used to express moral obligation, duty and desirability. मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी ought का यूज किया जाता है एंड मॉडल वर्ब ought का यूज किया जाता है मोरल ऑब्लिगेशन. ऑब्लिगेशन मतलब आप पे जो फर्ज है, कर्तव्य, फर्ज और जो आपकी जो स्ट्रॉन्ग डिजायरेबिलिटी है, चाहत है, उसको बयान करने के लिए ought का यूज किया जाता है. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द रूल. प्रेजेंट के अंदर में दिस इज द रूल ऑफ प्रेजेंट. सब्जेक्ट प्लस ought to प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, एक्टिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट प्लस ought to be प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल एंड मीनिंग विल बी करना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू ought to study hard. तुम्हें मेहनत से पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए. यू ought to go to your office regularly. तुम्हें रेगुलरली अपने ऑफिस जाना चाहिए. पैसिव वॉइस, he ought to be caught. उसे पकड़ लिया जाना चाहिए. He ought to be beaten up. उसे मारा जाना चाहिए. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस के अंदर में ought not हो जाएगा. ought not to, ought not to be. He ought not to be given money. उसे पैसा नहीं दिया जाना चाहिए. Now we will have a look at the example sentences given. We will read out and try to understand. We ought to love our neighbors. हमें अपने पड़ोसी से मोहब्बत करनी चाहिए. हमें अपने पड़ोसियों से मोहब्बत करनी चाहिए. You ought not to speak rudely to your parents. You ought not to speak. तुम्हें बात नहीं करनी चाहिए rudely, बदतमीजी से to your parents, अपने माँ बाप के साथ. तुम्हें अपने माँ बाप के साथ, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बदतमीजी से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. She ought to speak truth. She ought to speak truth. उसे सच बोलना चाहिए. He ought to be arrested. उसे arrest कर लिया जाना चाहिए. To be, ought to be plus third form means this is the passive voice. उसे arrest कर लिया जाना चाहिए. They ought not to be given salary. उन्हें salary नहीं दी जानी चाहिए. Ought not to be plus third form. It is passive voice, negative passive voice. Now this is the rule of present. We will learn now how to use this in past. With the rules we will learn. Past, subject plus ought to have plus past participle in active voice. Subject plus ought to have been plus past participle. This is the passive voice. You can write down for your convenience. किया जाना चाहिए था. In past, meaning will be, for active voice meaning will be करना चाहिए था, and for passive voice the meaning will be किया जाना चाहिए था. You ought to have taken your exams. तुम्हें अपना इम्तिहान देना चाहिए था. हिंदी में भी से इम्तिहान देना, फॉर इंग्लिश में इम्तिहान देने के लिए इंग्लिश विल बी take exams. Remember that, okay? Give exam, we don't say. Take exam, exam देना. You ought to have taken your exams. तुम्हें अपने exams देने चाहिए थे. She ought to have taken permission. उसे permission लेना चाहिए था. He ought to have respected elders. उसे बड़ों की इज्जत करनी चाहिए थी. You ought not to have fought. तुम्हें लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. Ought not to have fought. Negative sentence. तुम्हें लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. He ought to have been selected for the job. उसे इस जॉब के लिए सिलेक्ट कर लिया जाना चाहिए था. Ought to have been plus third form passive voice कर लिया जाना चाहिए. She ought not to have been beaten. उसे मारा नहीं जाना चाहिए था. Ought not to have been plus third form passive voice. So she ought not to have been beaten. उसे मारा नहीं जाना चाहिए था. So friends, this is the rule of ought as a model verb, because ought is model. So right, model verb. How to use ought model in model verb? This is the rule. There are two rules, present and past. I believe that you have understood. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप अच्छे से समझ चुके हैं इसे. Now you have to practice this. Follow these two rules. Write down your own sentences and speak again and again so that your tongue gets comfortable. When you want to speak, you are able to speak confidently and fluently. Now I want you to do three things. Number one, write down in the comment box, what did you learn from this video? Number two, what more you'd like to learn? And number three, if you have got some value from this video, share it with everyone. Let everyone get value from this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe, keep learning, keep practicing. I catch you in next video with another topic. Bye-bye.